Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to PM Weather. I am student meteorologist Alex Herbst. Taking a look outside the Plymouth State webcam, we saw sunny skies today with a temperature around 20 degrees, though the wind chill was down early this morning to around 10 below zero, so that was a biting cold to wake up to this morning. As I said, high today was around 20 degrees with a low around 7. Normals are 33 and 8 for this time of year, with a record set back in 84 and 2006 of 56 degrees, and back in 1983 it was 16 below for the record low. Sunset was at about 5:20 this evening with a 95% illuminated moon taking its place. Sunrise will be about 6:43 tomorrow morning. Temperatures right now here in Plymouth as of 5 p.m. are around 20 degrees with a dew point around 9 below. Temperatures will be continuing to fall into the night, and winds will be coming out of the north-northwest between 5 and 10 miles an hour throughout the night. Temperatures around New England show 24 degrees over on the seacoast in Portsmouth, 24 in Manchester, 21 down in Jaffrey, and 20 here in Plymouth. Around New England, we see 23 degrees up in Portland, 27 in Boston, 29 in Providence, and 30 in Bridgeport, Connecticut. Around the United States, we see a wide variety of temperature, including some nice warm air down in Texas, 77 over in Houston. God, I'd like to be there. 44 over in St. Louis, 23 up in Chicago, where they're getting hit by some snow right now that we'll begin to see in our picture tomorrow. So, speaking of that snow, we've got some winter storm alerts that are up, including some pink ones here. These are our winter weather advisories that are across much of central Maine, parts of central New Hampshire, including Carroll and southern Grafton counties. These white ones down here across southern New Hampshire, which include Merrimack, Rockingham counties, among others, those are all part of a winter storm warning. Areas in white could see up to 5 to 8 inches of snow, while areas in pink will be seeing a range of 3 to 5 to maybe 5 to 8 in some places. Right now on the satellite and radar, we got nothing going on right now really here in New Hampshire, but we'll be expecting some more precipitation to be entering our picture within the next 24 hours. But as we take a look around the northeast, same thing goes. And as we take a look further out west, the Great Lakes and the Midwest are getting hit pretty hard right now with some snow, some sleet, ice, even some rain and thunderstorms to the south in Kentucky and Tennessee. This entire system will be what is working its way into our picture tomorrow. Here you can see the snow that is across the Great Lakes, the mixed precipitation in parts of Indiana and Illinois. All of that will be shifting its way to the east overnight tonight into tomorrow, bringing some mixed precipitation into southern New England and some snow for us up here in northern New England. That system will pull out by the end of the day tomorrow, bringing with it, though, some snow showers from behind it that will also bring us some nice warm air into the picture. So, taking a look at snowfall totals, we'll be seeing maybe 5 to 8 inches of snow here across central New Hampshire and also parts of coastal Maine. 3 to 5 inches will be surrounding it here in the white. The gray areas, that's where you're looking at 1 to 3 inches. So much of New England will see at least a little bit of snow. The one exception will probably be along the Cape and parts of coastal Massachusetts and Rhode Island, where they may not get any snow at all. Looking at the forecast right now, we can see the snow and the mixed precipitation starts to enter our picture by early tomorrow morning. That will continue to spread throughout our area throughout the day, and will hang on here in New Hampshire throughout the night up until probably about midnight. We're expecting 5 to 8 inches of accumulation here in central New Hampshire. And there's those mixed precipitation and snow showers I was talking about earlier that'll be coming in on Wednesday that could bring us some warm air behind it. Taking a look at temperatures, tonight we'll be dropping down into the single digits across much of New Hampshire, teens and 20s around New England. Temperatures will then rise the next day, 30s across much of the southern parts of New England, with temperatures nearing 30 here in New Hampshire. Overnight, dropping down to maybe around 20 degrees. All right, for tonight, we're going to see increasing clouds as that storm begins to enter our picture with a low around 6 degrees. Winds will be light and variable. Tomorrow, this is when the storm really enters the picture, so we'll be looking at snow, mainly starting in the mid-morning to midday time, accumulating probably to about 2 to 4 inches during the day. High will be around 27 degrees with winds out of the east at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Overnight, we'll be expecting snow to continue, ending probably around midnight with accumulations around 1 to 2 inches, so keep that in mind if you're going out tomorrow night. Winds will be light and variable with a low of 18. Taking a look at our extended forecast, we'll be seeing that storm entering our picture on Tuesday. Wednesday is that mixed precipitation that could bring some warm air behind it, and as you can see on Thursday and Saturday, those 2 days look very nice to be able to go outside. Saturday will be a great day to get out, have some fun with the family. High of 40 degrees will be beautiful. Just have to watch out for that rain that'll be coming in on Friday. 4 p.m. weather, I'm student meteorologist Alex Herbst. Have a great night.